Get $5 million, but you have to toss a toddler into a volcano. You finally become happy with a stable life, but the first person you see when you click share and more dies. You become a powerful psychic like Saiki Kusuo, but you have to be confined once a month. You get paid $100 million, but Conor McGregor has to punch you 10 times full force to receive it. Have the ability to instantly teleport to any place you've visited before, but you'll always arrive at a random time. Be able to control any element, but you'll be vulnerable to its opposite element. Be able to instantly clean any mess, but you'll become extremely sensitive to